I suppose.
In there.
Tell us a bit about
Tell
it.
us.
Yeah.
Well, this is my first attempt at making a set of pipes. And I haven't finished it yet. The drones are sounding good and the chanter is working. And I haven't finished tuning it yet. The bottom D is pretty much bang on C. It's in a set in C. And everything else is still slightly flat, which is where you want them. And I just need to go over the final tuning of it and get everything just exactly where I want it. But I'm happy with the tone of it. And I'm happy with it in general, really. But I have to finish the whole lot. I have to do a lot of work, a fair bit of work on the regs, a few days' work to get them working. And yeah, so I mean, this is based on Jeff Wolf's pipes, so his design. So I started in November and made some drawings and started on them and been working on them since. And it's really only last week that they made the first sound when I started making reeds, and I thought making reeds it'd take a lifetime, but it's this one seems to work quite well. And I made 8 reeds and that's number 8, and that's the best one. So quite happy with that, which is amazing.
After the drawings, Kevin, what are the steps you take then?
Well, you get your bit of wood and you drill it out, and you would ream it out at that stage, and then you'd leave it sit for maybe, well, a while, ideally a few months, but I hadn't that luxury, I guess. I had to keep working on them. Then you turn them down, the outside of it, and rough turn them, leave it sit another bit, then do the final bit of turning. And at that stage all these blocks are still fully round, so then you file off the blocks and get it all smooth. And then you cut your channels in the blocks and drill your holes and do the final bit of turning on it. Make your keys, drill the holes with pins and put in your keys, put the pads on the keys, make the mounts. Then separately to all that is making all these metal bits, which are all made from flat sheet of metal, just brass, flat sheet of brass. So, and you just, these ferrules are tapered, so it's bigger at this end than this end, and you make mandrels that just the taper you want, and so that's what you form them on. Now making the reamers and the drills took quite a bit of time as well. So from the drawings you make a reamer, which gives the shape of the inside of the chanter and inside of the regulators, and so you just make that from a piece of steel, silver steel, and you turn it down. The way I was making it was you turn it in steps. You look at your graph and you turn it in steps of 1/4 of a millimetre, and then you file it smooth. And then you grind it in half. So that's your reamer. And I think I made about 5, there might be 5 or 6 reamers for this. Do you want to tell the lads to keep quiet or not? Or is it all right? And that's it really. So I still have to make the bag and bellows. These are from my own set. So you can see this is nickel silver, whereas the rest of the set is brass. So, but I've made all the pieces for it. I just need a bit of leather. So
Every day is it?
yeah, I've been working quite hard. Quite hard, yeah. But the next set will be a lot easier and a lot quicker because
you've done.
Yeah, you know, you go so far and you think, God, okay, I need to order some brass at this thickness, and I need to get some whatever, and I need to make some tools for that job, and I don't know how to do this, so I'm going to have to spend a few days figuring it out. Yeah, or whatever.
But when you started off with the drawings,
the drawings, yeah,
when you just went at them first,
yeah,
was Jeff helping you out, or?
Well, Jeff has helped me all along the way. And the way we work it so far was I go up to his house and he tells me this is how you do this bit, and I go away and do that bit, and that might take 2 weeks, and then I go up for another day. It might stay for a few hours, and he says, okay, here's how I do this, and
So you go get your list of problems and go to
Yeah.
figure them out and go
yeah,
back.
figure them out, and I typically 2 hours there would give me 2 weeks work, so it's good. And yeah, he's been extremely helpful and very generous, giving me his designs.
Has he played that set yet?
He came down when I was just tuning the chanter after I'd done the initial tuning on it, and he said, yeah, sounds good. Sounds good, I think it's going to be alright. So, but he's gone away. He went away last Thursday, or last Friday, and it was kind of Thursday and Friday I did did the final bit on it, except it's not really the final bit because I still have to do more, but there was a big difference. Like on Wednesday it was just making noise, and then Thursday we were making music, and
It's coming in,
yeah, so it's been great having it. My aim was to have it playing for this week, so at least some of it's playing, and hearing Mick O'Brien and Jimmy O'Brien Moran and Peter Brown playing it, it was lovely. Sure, I'll play a tune. Seeing as we're at the Willie Clancy week. Play one of Willie Clancy's. No.